A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject mathematics of 7th class. I hope so you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have seen about the multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer on the number line. We have seen. So what happened if the multiplication of two integers happening on the number line? So what will be the result? We have seen. So suppose a positive number, a positive integer is there, and one more positive integer is there. So what happened to this number? We have seen in the previous class. And one more thing, suppose a positive integer is there and a negative integer is there and a negative integer is there. So for this also what happened, we have seen in the previous class. So here if we are doing a product of two positive integers, so the result is also getting positive integer only. And suppose if we are doing a product means multiplication for one of the positive integer and one of the negative integer. So at this time what happened? So the result will be the negative integer only, negative integer, because plus into minus is a minus. We have seen the rules. Plus into minus is equals to minus. We have seen in the previous classes. So like this we have seen. Suppose what happens if there are two negative integers? If there are two negative integers means what will happen to the result, we shall see in the today's class. So this is also same product only. Okay, product only we shall see. Okay, product means multiplication only we shall see. Okay, so suppose I am writing 5 into 6. 5 into 6. What is 5 into 6? 5 into 6 is 30. Next, 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Next, 5 into 4. As you know the multiplication tables, you can write 5 into 4 is 20. Next, 5 into 3 is 15. Next, 5 into 2 is 10. Next, 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is 5. So like this we have seen a product of two positive integers we have seen, and suppose product of two negative, one positive and one negative, how it will come? So plus into minus is minus only. So the result will be minus only. So plus into minus is minus. 5 into minus 6 is minus 30. 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. So like this we have seen in the previous classes. So here suppose if we want to take two negative numbers like this. So here minus 5. So all are minus only. So okay. Here I am closing all these things. So 5 into 1. So minus 5 into 6 minus 30. Minus 5 into 5 minus 5. Minus 5 into 4 minus 20. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. So up to here we have seen. So now minus 5 into 0 is, so anything into 0 is 0 only. So 0 into something is 0 only. Okay. Next. So minus 5 into before 0 what will be the numbers? So these all are positive numbers. Okay. These all are natural numbers. For natural number 0 means these all are whole numbers. So after whole numbers what will be? There will be negative numbers. So minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1. What is minus 5 into minus 1? Minus 5 into minus 2. Minus 5 into minus 3. So what will be this result? So both are negative numbers. Both are negative integers. So minus into minus is plus. So minus into minus is a plus only. Okay. So here minus into minus is product is plus. No need to write the plus value, plus symbol. So 5 into 1 is 5. Next, minus into minus plus. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 3 15. So here by seeing this results, what you are observing means, so as a multiplier is getting reduced, the result is getting increased. Is it right? The result, whatever the result is, that is getting increased. Minus 30 minus 25. So minus 25 is greater than minus 30. So like this it is. So here this is the result. The result is getting increased. So by reducing the number, the result is increasing. Okay. So here also. So product of two negative numbers by reduce. Here we are reducing the number. Here we are reducing the number. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So going to the left side. As we are going to the left side, the result is getting increased. Getting increased. So how many times it was increased? So this many times it was increased. So we have taken the number 5. So 5 times it is getting increased. So here if we take 6 means 6 times it will increase. 7 means 7 times it will increase. 2 means 2 times it will increase. So like this the result will be there. So by seeing these things, what you can say means product of two negative integers. Product of two negative integers is always a positive integer. Okay, always a positive integer. So I hope so you are understanding this concept very easily. Is it right? So like this it will. So you will get it out. So what about the number line representation is? For this you can't draw the number line representation because both are in the minus only. So if you are taking only negative numbers on the number line, how come we get the positive numbers? So we can't get the positive numbers on the number line. So is it right? So that's why for the two negative integers we can't get the positive integers on the number line. Okay. So like this it will be. So this is about the multiplication of two negative integers. Okay. So here there is one of the table in your textbook. We can try this one and we can solve this one. Okay. So this is a multiplication. First multiplication is there. So 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 8 into 8 columns table I have drawn. So 8 rows and 8 columns are there. 8 rows are there, 8 columns are there. Okay. So here we have written 3, 2, minus 3. Next down also 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, like this we have drawn the table. So for this you have to write all these numbers. So how you will write the numbers means, so just multiply one a row, a number from the row and a number from a column. Okay, so first 3 into 3. So 3 into 3. If you want to get this this box means, so this row and this column, you should multiply this two. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Next, after this, so for this row, you should write all these columns. So 3 into 3, 9. Next, 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 0, 0. So anything into 0 is 0 only. Next, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, because plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. So 3 into 0, minus 1 is minus 3. Next 3 into minus 2, minus 3 to the 6. 3 into minus 3, minus 3 3 is 9. So like this we have to write. Next 2. Taking with 2 and multiplying with all these things. So 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 0, 0. Anything into 0 is 0 only. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into minus 2. So minus 4. 2 to the 4, plus into minus is minus. So 2 into minus 3, minus 2 3 is 6. Okay, like this you have to do. Next 1 is there. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2, 2. Next 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Okay? 0 into something, it will give zeros only. Okay? It will give zeros only. All the result will be 0 only. So here minus 1 I will do. Minus 2 and minus 3 you try to do. Okay? Minus 1 into 3. So plus into minus is minus. 1 into 3, 3. Okay? Next minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2, 2. Okay? Next minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0 only. Anything into 0, 0 only. Next minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is plus. So plus 1 into 1, 1. Next minus 1 into minus 2. Plus 2. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into minus 3. 3. Because minus into minus. Product of two negative integers is positive integer. I hope so you are understanding. So like this I have to do for the negative numbers also. So minus 2 and minus 3 you try to do. Okay? Okay, and check your answers. Okay? Here what you can understand, all the rows and columns. So this row and this column is getting 0 only. Okay? Here also this will get zeros only. Okay? So like this it will. So here you are getting positive numbers, here negative numbers, here negative numbers, and here positive numbers you will get. So opposite direction. So here and here positive numbers, here and here negative numbers will be coming. So like this it will be very much easy to identify. Okay? So here there are some questions in the textbook. You try to do. So these two blanks, these two rows you try to do in your as a homework. Okay? Today's homework. Okay? Now we shall see the questions. So there are some questions there. So below this box there are questions. The first question is the product of two positive integers always a positive integers? So product, he was taking a product. So product of two positive integers. So one is positive integer, another one is positive integer. So product of two positive integers is, what he is saying, is the product of two positive integers always a positive integer, he is asking. So that means plus into plus is always plus only. So yes, compulsory product of two positive integers will be always always a positive integer. Next question, is the product of two negative integers always a positive integer? So product of two negative integers always a positive integer, he is asking. Yes, that is also correct, because minus into minus is always plus only. So this is also correct. Product of two negative integers is always positive integer only. Next, is the product of negative and a positive integer always a negative integer, he is asking. So product of negative and a positive integer is always a negative integer, he is asking. So here minus 1 is there, here 3 is there. One is positive integer, another one is negative integer. So what happened to this product? So minus 1 into 3. So minus into plus is minus, 1 into 3 is 3 only. So minus into plus is minus 3 only. So this is also correct. Product of two, one positive and one negative is always a negative integer only. So this is also correct only, we have to say. So like this there are some questions, and try to do this two rows okay by multiplying minus 2 into 3, 2, 1, 0 like this here, and for minus 3 multiplication you have to write answers here. So now we shall go with the multiplication of more than two negative numbers. Suppose if there are two or more negative numbers, more than two negative numbers are there, means what will happen we shall see. Okay. See, minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 7. Okay. Suppose I have taken these three numbers, product of more than two negative integers. So what will happen? So first take only two numbers, take only two integers. So minus into minus is, what is minus into minus? Plus. So plus 3 to the 6. 6 will be coming. So plus 6 into, so this answer is 6. For this answer is 6. Into, next minus 7. So minus 7. So this is a positive, this is a positive and this is negative. So plus into minus is minus. So 6 7 is 42. If you know tables, you can able to do the multiplication. So 6 7 is 42. But what is the symbol? Plus into minus. So answer is minus. Minus 42. So product of three negative integers is always negative integers only. Okay. So product of one negative integer is a negative only. Product of two negative integers is a positive. Product of three negative integers is a negative. Okay. For one it is negative. For two it is positive. For three it is negative. But for 4 what happens? For 4 integers what will happen? Minus into minus is plus, minus into minus plus. So this is minus. So I will write a problem. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. So this is the product of 4 negative integers. So first minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6 into minus 4 into minus. So minus into minus plus 4 5 is 20. So plus 6 and plus 20. So plus 6 into plus 20. So plus into plus plus only. So 26 is 120. 26 is 120. So what is the result? So result is positive integer. So product of 4 negative integers is a positive only. That means for 2 negative integers, product of 2 negative integers is positive. Product of 4 negative integers is also positive. That means if the product of integers is in the even mode, that means 0 2 4 6 8 10. So at that time the result will be in the positive integers only. Result will be in the positive integers. Suppose the if the product is in the odd numbers like one integer, next 3 integers, 5 integers. At that time what will happen? The result will be negative. Okay. Result will be negative. So if 5 integers are there, the final result will be negative. If 3 integers are there, we have seen here. So what is the final result? Negative. So minus 42 is a negative. So for 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So for that time, if there are odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So the result will be negative. If there is an even number of integers, means the result will be positive. Okay. I hope so you have understood. So finally, by this what we can say? Product of two or more positive integers. So here in this, if the product is for the even number of integers, if the product is for the even number of negative integers, the result will be the positive. But for suppose if the product of negative integers is in the odd number of integers, if there are odd number of integers, for that the product is as a negative integer. The final result will come as a negative integer. Okay. I hope so you have understood this concept easily. Okay. So now we shall confirm some statements, some true statements with the help of these things. So in the textbook he has given, see, the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. So two negative integers, even number of integers are there, so positive integer. Okay. Next, the product of three negative integers product of three negative integers. So even odd number of integers are there, odd number of negative integers are there. So what will come? Negative integer. Next, the product of four negative integers. Product of four negative integers. So what is the result? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So 4 is a even number. 4 is a even number. So even number of negative integers. So what is the result? Positive integer. Next, the product of 5 negative integers. Product of 5 negative integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is a odd number. So odd number of negative integers. So what is the result? Negative integer. So even number of negative integers product is a positive. So odd number of negative integers product is a negative. Okay. So like this you have to identify. So now we shall go with the exercise part of this concept. So one of the exercise part we shall do. Okay. Exercise 1.4. In the previous class we have completed exercise 3. So now exercise 4 we have to do. So first bit. The first bit is just fill in the blanks only. So fill in the blanks. So these are the very important. So in your exam point of view, this type of problems will be given. Okay, as a blanks. Okay. So the first one. The first one is 100 into minus 6. 100 into minus 6. Okay. So what is 100 into minus 6? So what is the answer? So first one is positive integer. Second one is negative integer. So positive into negative is what is positive into negative? Product is negative only. So 100 into 6. So 600. 100 into 6 is 600. So only two integers are there. So 100 into 6 plus into minus is minus. So like this is the answer. Next one, minus 20 into minus 10. Minus 20 into minus 10. So here only two negative integers are there. Two are negative integers. That two only negatives are there. So product of two negative integers is what? Positive integer. So minus into minus is plus. No need to keep the plus. So 20 into 10. So what is 20 into 10? That is 200. So 200 is the answer for this problem. Okay, like this you have to write. So next one more important one. So minus 3 into dash is equals to 3. Okay. So here in this problem the result is given. So we have to identify what is this one. What is this one we have to identify. So how we can identify? So this is minus 3. So one is negative. So one more is, so what is the result? Result is in a positive. So minus into what will become positive. So in the if in the question the negative is a what is negative. So here one is negative. The result is positive. So here the both the numbers should be in the negative numbers. We know that product of two negative integers is a positive integer. One negative integer is already given. So what will make this one to make this as a positive integer? So here compulsory negative integer should be there. So 3 into what? So just forget about this minus. So minus will be there, compulsory minus will be there. Okay. So 3 into what will become 3? So 3 ones are 3. You know that 3 ones are 3. So 3 into minus 3 into minus 1 is equals to 3. So what is the answer? Minus 3. This one you can also do like this also. So minus 3 into this number is not given. Just think as x is equals to 3. So we have to find this x. Okay. Now x is equals to, send this minus 3 to that side. So 3 by, so here product is there. So product if it goes if it goes that side to the another side of the equal means it will make as a division. So here down you should write minus 3. This minus 3 it will go down. Okay. So now 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 means cancel, 1 will come. Okay, 1. So here already minus is it. So you should keep minus. So answer is minus 1. So here what is the x? X is equals to minus 1. So here the answer is minus 1. You have to do like this. Okay. So this is about this bit. Okay, next step. In the next bit we shall see second bit. Find each of the following products. Find the products. Find the products. So we have to find the products. Okay. Two or more number of negative integers and positive integers will be. You have to find the product. So how to find? So see the first one. Minus 21 into minus 30. So minus 21 into minus 30. So here for this how to do the solution means, so first minus into minus is plus, so the answer will be in the positive only. So now do 21 into 30. So 21 into 30 means, first what is 21 into 3? 21 into 3 you should know. So 21 into 3 you should identify. So 21 3 is 63. 21 into 3 is 63. So 63. So here 1 0 is there. So here 0 is there. So you keep this 0. So answer is 630. So 21 minus 21 into minus 30 is 630. Okay, like this you have to do this answer. Next step. Next question. Minus 12 into minus 11 into minus into 10. Okay. So here there are 3 integers are there. Out of the 2 are negative and 1 is positive. So negative into negative is positive. So positive into positive is positive. So this result will be coming in the positive number only, positive integer. So first 12 into 10. So 12 into 11 into 10 you have to identify. So first of all, what is 12 into 11? So try to do 12 into 11. So what is 12 into 11? 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. Down. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. Add these two. So 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 1. So 132 is the answer. So here 132. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 132 into 10. So plus into plus is plus only. So 132 into 10 is 1320. 1320 is the answer for this problem. Okay. I think so you have been understanding these problems very easily. So like this you have to do. Next step. One more problem we shall see in this bit. Okay. Afterwards I will give that homework. Next step. Third one. So the third one is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay. So this is the problem. So how many integers are there? 4 integers are there. All the 4 are negative integers only. So here even number of integers are there. Even number of negative integers are there. So even number of negative integers means the result will be positive. How? Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So plus into plus, plus only. So answer will be in the positive integer only. So minus into minus plus. 6 3 ja 3 6 ja 18 into minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2. So 18 2 ja 36. So answer is 36. 18 2 ja 36. So like this you have to do this answer. Okay. So here at the beside in this problem you have to write, since you have to write like this for every problem, since minus into minus is equals to plus, minus into plus is equals to minus. You have to write like this. Okay. So whatever the formula we have applied in the problem, that formula you should write it. Okay. Because by applying this one, whoever doing correction, they will understand that this student has a more idea about the solving problem. Like that they will understand, and you will also understand more conceptually this one. Okay, like this you have to do. Now I will give some homework problem, you try to do from this exercise. Okay, exercise 4. In the exercise 4, first bit. So what is first bit? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. The first one. Minus 100 into minus 6. I am writing. Second one, B. 15 into minus 3. Next, these two. These two are from first bit. Okay. Next, second bit. What is second bit? Find the products. Find the products. Find the products. The first one is (9) into minus 3 into minus 6. This is first one. Next, second one, minus 316 into minus 1. This is B. Next, C. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Next, D. Last problem. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. Okay. So these are the 4 problems from this second bit. Find the products. So this is the fill in the blanks, 2 problems. So using the formulas, minus into minus is equals to plus, and plus into minus is equals to minus. So this type of formulas you should use. So plus into minus or minus into plus also same, minus. Okay, these 3 formulas, by applying these 3 formulas only you have to do this solutions. Okay, and you do this as a today's homework, children. Okay, I hope so you will be understanding very easily and you will do these problems very easily. So thank you for listening, children. Tomorrow in this exercise part we shall see some more word problems. Okay, have a good day, children. Thank you, children.